Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Bisht from DPS Lamachor. Today in this session, we'll be discussing the second case where provision for depreciation account is maintained but under written down value method. In the previous session, we have discussed the same case under original cost method. So here we'll be solving the question based on provision for depreciation account under written down value method. So here is the question. Question is, on 1st April 2012, a firm purchased a machinery for rupees 2 lakh. On 1st August 2015, the machinery became obsolete and was auctioned for 90,000. The firm provides depreciation on its machinery at the rate 10% per annum on written down value method, and the books are closed on 31st March of every year. So here in the question, firm has purchased one machinery in the year 2012 and in the year 2015, it sold off its machinery for rupees 90,000. So first we will prepare provision for depreciation account. Now here is the format for provision for depreciation account. As we know, provision for depreciation account is maintained to record all the accumulated depreciation provided on the machinery up to the number of years for which we have to maintain the account. And we know when the provision for depreciation account is maintained, two accounts is to be prepared. First will be machinery account, second will be provision for depreciation account. In machinery account, we'll show the asset on its original cost only. So according to the question, the machinery was purchased by the company on 1st April 2012 for rupees 2 lakh. So we will provide the depreciation on that machinery at the end of the year. So end of the year will be 2013, 31st March. We'll record the amount of depreciation as by depreciation account. So the cost of machinery was rupees 2 lakh and the rate of depreciation is 10%. So 10% of 2 lakh will be 20,000. This is the credit balance of provision for depreciation account, and the same balance will be the closing figure for the debit side. And we know closing balance is written as to balance carried down. As it is a closing balance, so date will be 31st March 2013. Now this closing balance becomes the opening balance for the next year. So opening balance for the next year is written as by balance brought down. Amount is 20,000 and the date of opening balance will be 2013 1st April. Now at the end of the year, we will again charge the depreciation on the machinery for the second year. So the end of the second year will be 2014 31st March by depreciation account. But here, as it is a written down value method, so we will charge the depreciation on the written down value of machinery. So the original cost of machinery was 2 lakh rupees. Depreciation charge for the first year was 20,000. So 2 lakh minus 20,000 is 1,80,000. Now we will charge the depreciation on the amount 1,80,000. Why? Because it is the written down value of the machinery. So 10% of 1,80,000 will be 18,000. So as we can see, credit side is having a total amount of 38,000. We will record the same amount on debit side also. And this will be the balancing figure, closing balance. So we write the closing balance as by to balance carried down. Amount will be 38,000. And the closing balance is recorded at the end of the year. End of the year will be 31st March 2014. Now again in the third year, this closing balance becomes the opening balance. Third year opening balance will be written as by balance brought down. Amount is 38,000. As it is the opening balance, date for the beginning of the year will be 2014 1st April. Now in the third year also we will charge the depreciation on the written down value of machinery. So the end of the third year will be 2015 31st March by depreciation account. So as we can see, the written down value of machinery will be 1,80,000 minus 18,000, which is 1,62,000. So 10% of 1,62,000 will be 16,200. Total of the credit side will be 54,200. We will record the same amount on the debit side total also, 54,200. Now this will be the balancing figure and it is considered as closing balance. Closing balance will be written as to balance carried down. Amount will be 54,200. As it is a closing balance, the date here will be at the end of the year. End of the year is 31st March 2015. Now again this closing balance will be considered as the opening balance in the next year. So next year beginning date will be 2015 1st April. This closing balance becomes the opening balance. Opening balance is written as by balance brought down. And the amount is 54,200. Now according to the question, the machinery was sold in the fourth year. That means after using the machinery for the 3 years, now we will provide the depreciation on the machinery for the fourth year till the time period it has been used in the fourth year before it is sold. So as we can see, the written down value of machinery at the beginning of the fourth year is 1,62,000 minus 16,200, which is 1,45,800. This is the written down value of machinery at the beginning of the fourth year. Now we will charge depreciation on this machinery for the time period of 4 months. Why? Because the machinery has been sold on 1st August. That means in the fourth year, machinery has been used from 1st April to 1st August, which is a time period of 4 months. As it is a written down value method, so we are providing the depreciation on the written down value of the machinery. So here we can see the rate of depreciation is 10% and the time period is 4 months. So the depreciation amount for the fourth year before the machinery is sold is 4860. Date will be 1st August by depreciation account. Amount is 4860. So the total of credit side is 59,060. We will record the same amount on debit side also, 59,060. So this amount is considered as accumulated depreciation of the machinery charged for the 4 years. And we know this accumulated depreciation is transferred to the machinery account before it is sold. So we will transfer this amount to the machinery account, as this figure is considered as balancing figure, and we will write it as to machinery account, because here the accumulated depreciation is transferred to machinery account. Transfer to machinery account. Amount is 59,060 and date will be 2015 1st August. So by preparing provision for depreciation account, we have calculated the accumulated depreciation of machine, which is 59,060. While preparing the machinery account, we will record this amount on the credit side of machinery as accumulated depreciation. So after preparing provision for depreciation account, now we will prepare machinery account. As we know, when provision for depreciation account is maintained, we show the machinery amount on its original cost by preparing machinery account, because depreciation amount we have already recorded on the provision for depreciation account. So here, according to the question, on 1st April 2012, machinery was purchased. So we will recall it as to bank account. It was purchased for the amount 2 lakh rupees. Now at the end of the year, we will not show the depreciation amount here because we have already recorded the depreciation amount in provision for depreciation account. So this will be the balancing figure for the credit side. Balancing figure will be 2 lakh. So at the end of the year, which is 2013, 31st March, it will be recorded as by balance carried down. Now this is the closing balance. It becomes the opening balance in the next year. Next year beginning will be 1st April 2013. We record it as to balance brought down. Amount is 2 lakh only. Again, this amount will be recorded on credit side also as balancing figure. At the end of the year will be 2014, 31st March. Closing balance is written as by balance carried down. Again, in the next year, this closing balance will be considered as opening balance. Opening balance is written as to balance brought down. Amount is 2 lakh rupees. Date will be at the beginning of the year 2014, 1st April. We will record this amount on credit side also as 2 lakh rupees. Again, it becomes a closing balance. Closing balance is written as by balance carried down. Date will be at the end of the year. End of the year is 31st March 2015. So this balance again becomes the opening balance in the next year. Beginning of the next year will be 2015, 1st April. Opening balance is written as to balance brought down. Amount is 2 lakh rupees. Now, in the year 2015, the company has sold its machinery for the amount 90,000. So when machinery is purchased, we write it as to bank account. By selling the machinery, we will write by bank account. Machinery is sold in the year 2015 on 1st August for the amount 90,000. So as we have calculated the accumulated depreciation in the provision for depreciation account, amount was 59,060. So here on 1st August, we will record by provision for depreciation account, which is a accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation means the total amount of depreciation charged on the machinery for the number of years it has been used before it is sold. So the amount was 59,060. So as we can see, debit side is having a greater value with the amount 2 lakh. We will record the same amount on credit side also. So this will be the balancing figure for us. Balancing figure will be profit or loss earned or beared by the company. So we will write it as by statement of P&L account. As P&L account is appearing on the credit side of machinery account, which means there is a loss of 50,940. This is a loss and it is also a balancing figure. So this is how question based on provision for depreciation account under written down value method is solved. In the next session, we'll be discussing the next topic, which is asset disposal account. That's all for today. Thank you.